Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be trying out the lazy girl method. I was watching my girl Femi and long hair pretty nails, so I figured I'd give it a try, and this is the design that I came up with. So if you want to see how I did these nails, then just keep on watching. So first I'm going to start off by pushing back my cuticles. I do always do this before I do my nails, but normally I leave this part out of the video. And then, of course, I'm going to go with my Young Nails Protein Bond. You guys, I am on the hunt for a new nail primer, so leave some down below if you guys have some suggestions. And, of course, my IBD base coat, because you do need to apply base coat prior to putting on the polygel. So the polygel I'm going to be using today is by Modelones. I did pick this up from Amazon, and I will have it linked down below for you guys. And for nails, I'm going to be using two different full cover nail tips. I will have them linked down below. And this is what the polygel looks like. So you're going to go ahead and use your spatula or brush, whatever you have, and place it right into the nail tip. You don't want to apply too much because it will spill over the sides if you put too much. So just go ahead and smooth it out. Again, I will link Femi's videos down below because I think she came up with this method. And then you want to go ahead and sit it right on top of your nail and press it down. So I did go ahead and stick it in my nail lamp, and as you guys can see, I'm using my pinky to hold the nail down because if you don't, it will lift and have air bubbles. And this is what the nail looks like after it has fully cured. As you guys can see, I'm wiggling it and the nail is not budging. This method is really good for holding down the nail. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how I do another nail as well. So one of my favorite things about this method is it makes the nail a lot thicker. As you guys know, with like press-on nails, they aren't as thick unless you put a lot of coats of gel polish, but these nails were super thick and sturdy. You guys, I had to soak these nails off with acetone. Like, these things were not budging. I cannot wait to try this method again, but it was super easy. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that again for my other finger, again holding it down so I don't get air bubbles. And then you'll also see me sticking my hand in the other side of my nail lamp to hold the nail down. So these are what my nails look like after I applied all of the polygel. Sturdy, just so bomb. I love this method. So of course I'm going to go ahead and design the nails. So I'm going to go ahead and buff the shine off the nails to get ready for my gel polish. And of course going back in with my base coat. So for polish, we're going to be using Kiara Sky D Lilac. So I'm going to go ahead and apply 2 coats of this to my nails. I'm not sure if I used this color before on my channel. I know I showed it in a haul, but I don't know. But it's a really good color. I love, love, love this purple. Okay, so I did a little shopping on Amazon. I got this rhinestone glue, which I'm obsessed with already. I also picked up these little pixie crystals, also from Amazon. You guys, the shine on these things, so bomb. So this rhinestone glue came with 3 brushes. So I'm going to be using one of the brushes to apply the glue. So basically, you just sit it right on top of the nail. I didn't do too thin of a layer because I wanted something to push the crystals down into so that they stay. But yeah, I got this from Amazon. It's really good. It's less than $5. I'll link it below. So I'm going to go ahead and just pour the pixie crystals right on top. And they just stick so perfectly. I'm doing them on top of the packaging so that I can just scoop them back in so I don't waste any. And I'm just going to go ahead and use my fingers to push the ones that are on the side into the nail so it's not hanging off, and that's how it looks. It just looks so good. You do have to cure this. It is a no wipe gel. Again, link below because it's so good. And I'm going to go ahead and do another nail for you guys. Also, I did also try this as like a builder gel. I will do a video on that because this stuff is like multi-use, you guys. When I tell you, obsessed already. I think it was like $4 something. It wasn't even $5. I'll just shut up. I'll link it below. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and clean up the sides and cure under my nail lamp. So this bad boy is from Born Pretty. It's like an iridescent gel. I have 2 different colors. So I'm just going to add this right on top of that gel polish. And it's just going to put this beautiful iridescent shine on top of that purple. And it just came out so pretty, you guys. Like, just look at that. It's so good. I have another color that I'm going to show you guys later. So I did go ahead and do my other fingers. For some reason, every time I did those fingers, my camera was not recording. So I didn't get that on camera. But it's basically just those pixie crystals, and then I added 1 large crystal in the center. Sorry, my camera is retarded, but yeah, I just went ahead and applied my top coat, and I'm going to cure that in my nail lamp. And then nothing says done like some cuticle oil, so I'm going to go ahead and apply that, and that is pretty much it, you guys. Thank you all so much for watching. If you guys like this method, let me know down below. And please leave me some video suggestions and let me know what you guys want to see next on my channel. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.